The Lost Mermaid-Chapter 13. The next day, I dressed feminine again, smoothing my curly hair again with the hot rollers, feeling a bit better in my new look. I no longer wanted to hide under my bed for the rest of my life. In fact, it didn't seem like too big of a deal to dress cute and girlish. I can do hard things, and this was the new Julie. When I got to school, I thought that maybe I could talk to Jason again. No. I covered my face at my desk with a book. What if I mess up? What if he thinks I'm weird? I didn't want to make a fool of myself again. The first time had been bad enough. But I really wanted Jason to ask me to the dance. If I never talked to him again, he would never ask me out, and I might not ever go to a dance with him. My stomach churned. Okay, I can do this. I saw Pam by my locker. She's one of the popular girls. It was good timing since I needed to give her the book she'd left behind in our last class. Hey, Pam, you left your biology book. I got it for you. Gee, thanks, she said. I completely forgot. I hate biology. Don't you? No, I think it's pretty interesting. I smiled at her. Huh. She looked at me weirdly. She saw the mirror in my locker and checked her lipstick, bumping me aside. Oh, brother. She was filling the popularity checklist to a T. She definitely thought she was better than me. The class bell chimed. I saw Jason walk around the corner and my heart leapt. I felt excited and fearful all at the same time. This was it. I had to redeem myself. What do I talk about? Doubts flooded my mind and I bit my lip, thinking. Well, overthinking my decisions, actually. Again, I lost my nerve and decided to wait. But as I shut my locker and turned to go, Jason caught my eye and walked straight toward me. Hey, Julie, he called. Pam stood there for a second, like Jason was going to talk to her, then walked away. I tried to act like I hadn't heard him and started to walk down the hall. Surely he wasn't talking to me. We'd already established he didn't know me. He touched my arm, and I turned around to gaze into his breathtaking eyes. He said, Hey, Julie, how's it going? I'm glad you said it yesterday. You look stylin' today. What have you been up to? He was talking to me? Wait, he was talking to me. My brain didn't seem to be working very well. I wondered if it was a side effect of having such a hot guy staring at me, clearly waiting for me to say something charming. What had he asked again? Right, what I was doing. I cleared my throat. I've just been… I thought of saying I've been swimming at the pond but thought better of it. I've been busy at the house, reading books and stuff. I smiled, still in shock. That's great. Well, it's good to see ya again. Yeah, I stammered. You too. See ya later, he called as he jogged down the hall, his gorgeous blonde locks swishing in the air like a stallion's mane. I was bursting with excitement for the rest of the day. I could barely focus on my studies. When the last bell finally rang, I flew home to tell Emerald the good news. Standing by the pond, I called out to her over and over. I didn't have time to swim today, but she had always come before when I called. Was she gone? Had someone found her? Did she leave me without saying goodbye? Putting on the tiara, I dove in and swam to her cove. Seeing her sleeping, my shoulders slumped in relief. Phew, she wasn't gone. Emerald, I touched her lightly on the arm, and she stirred. She awoke groggily. I'm overtired, her speech slurred. The time of mermaking is upon me. What? I cried. I am with child. She smiled weakly, 'tis true. She caressed her tummy. Concern furrowed her brow. I must get to the great Siwa soon before the babe comes. I am becoming weak in these brackish waters. The child could perish. I nodded. She really did look bad. I've been thinking of a plan. I could wrap you in a wet blanket or put you in a water trough in a truck. I trust Jared. He is a friend that could help, or maybe my brother Shane. They both know how to keep a secret. We could drive to the ocean in the middle of the night. She nodded. I think Jared is the wisest choice. I agreed. I will talk to him, I promised. Emerald's face brightened. Did thou talk with Jason? Yes, he talked to me. He knows my name. He said I looked stylin'. Joy to thee, Emerald cheered. I knew he would see thy light and come around. Did thou praise his masculine powers? I frowned. Flip, I completely forgot. Try again, dear one. She reassured me. Please bring me more salt. For now, I must rest. I was sure I'd be back soon, but I was busy all night with the family. When I finally got away after dark and called again for Emerald, she didn't come. I had to get home, so I left her salt by the rock. I had to rescue her soon. She really could die. Her and her child both. I couldn't let that happen. No, I wouldn't let it happen.